uyu munsi tugiye kwiga amagambo mashya. First verb is let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Dukomeze kuvugana. Let's keep in touch. See you around. See you around. Tubonane nyuma. See you around. What do you like to do? What do you like to do? Ushaka gukora iki? What do you like to do? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Ese uri gutekereza ibyo ndi gutekereza? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? It's none of your business. It's none of your business. Ntabwo bikureba. It's none of your business. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Ni ikihe ushaka? Which one do you want? Ufite nk'ibintu bibiri, umuntu arimo gusaba kimwe muri byo ariko ntabwo uzi icyo ashaka kuvuga, wamubaza ngo which one do you want? Ni ikihe ushaka? It took me 2 hours to finish my work. It took me 2 hours to finish my work. Byantwaye amasaha 2 gusoza akazi. It took me 2 hours to finish my work. I finally found my key. I finally found my key. Byarangiye mbonye imfunguzo zanjye. I finally found my key. Byarangiye mbonye imfunguzo zanjye. I have never been here. I have never been here. Ntabwo nigeze ngera hano. I have never been here. No bad. No bad. Ntabwo ari bibi. No bad. Don't ever come back here. Do not ever come back here. Ntuzagaruke hano. Do not ever come back here. Ntuzagaruke hano. I care about you. I care about you. Nkwitaho. I care about you. You are the love of my life. You are the love of my life. Uru rukundo rw'ubuzima bwanjye. You are the love of my life. Do your best. Do your best. Gerageza uko ushoboye. Do your best. It's pleasure to be here. It's pleasure to be here. Ni by'icyubahiro kuba hano. It's pleasure to be here. I believe in you. I believe in you. Ndakwizera cyangwa se nkwizereramo. I believe in you. Don't worry. Do not worry. Ntugire ikibazo. Do not worry. Ntugire ikibazo. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Biraza kumera neza. It's going to be okay. Biraza kumera neza. Let's go for walk. Let's go for walk. Reka tujye gutembera. Let's go for walk. I can do it. I can do it. Nabikora. I can do it. Nabikora. Who knows? Who knows? Ninde ubizi? Who knows? Ninde ubizi? How much does the land cost? How much does the land cost? Icumbi yishyurwa ngahe? How much does the rent cost? Icumbi yishyurwa ngahe? I would like to rent car. I would like to rent car. Nifuzaga gukodesha imodoka. I would like to rent car. Nifuzaga gukodesha imodoka. Where can I rent house? Where can I rent house? Nihe nabona inzu yo gukodesha. Where can I rent house? Nihe nabona inzu yo gukodesha. Ugiye nk'ahantu mu mujyi cyangwa se uri kwimuka, then ukaba utazi nk'ahantu wakodesha inzu, ukahura n'umuntu ushaka kumubaza ahantu wakura inzu yo gukodesha, wamubaza ngo where can I rent house? Nihe nabona inzu yo gukodesha. I am early. I am early. Nazindutse. I am early. Nazindutse. I am late. I am late. Nakerewe. I am late. Who are you? Who are you? Urinde. Who are you? Urinde. Aho ukuntu umuntu agwamagara kuri phone utazi uwo ari we, ushaka kumubaza ati ese ndi kuvuga nande, wavuga ngo who am I talk to? Who am I talk to? Ndi kuvugana nande. Who am I talk to? Ndi kuvugana nande. Let me think. Let me think. Reka ntekereze. Let me think. Reka ntekereze. Nk'umuntu akubwiye nk'ikintu adashaka kuguha umwanya ngo utekereze cyangwa se ngo umanze ufate umwanzuro witonze, mubwira ngo let me think about it. Let me think about it. Reka mbitekerezeho. Let me think about it. Let me help you. Let me help you. Reka ngufashe. Let me help you. Reka ngufashe. Let me do it. Let me do it. Reka mbikore. Let me do it. Reka mbikore. It is cold. It is cold. Harakonje. It is cold. Harakonje. It is hot. It is hot. Harashyushye. It is hot. Harashyushye. It is hot. I should go. Ngomba kugenda. Ngomba kugenda. Let's do that. Let's do that. Reka tubikore. Let's do that. Sound good. Sounds good. Ibyo ni byiza. Sounds good. Ibyo ni byiza. Thank you for watching this video. Nimba wayikunze cyangwa se ukaba ubonye mu ikintu kigufashije, kora subscribe, comment, kure na share. Then tubonane mu video y'ubutaha. Aha ni kuri Icyongereza neza. See you next time. May God bless you.